How to reset Apple ID password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reset your Apple ID password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to reset your Apple ID password, in this video, I'll teach you guys one way, that is by using a trusted device where you're already signed in. It can be your Mac or your iPhone. After you're there, simply go to your settings. My bad here. Go to your settings, and on your settings you can tap on your name on the top. After you tap on it, there you'll find an option that says sign in and security. Tap on that. After you tap on that, there you'll find the option to change your password. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you'll need to type in your phone's passcode. Type that in and it will verify your identity. Now all you have to do is type in the new password and then retype your new password. And after that, you'll have reset your Apple ID's password. And it's simply that easy. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.